Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about distinct function with Terraform. There are some scenarios when you have multiple list or multiple collection items. You would like to merge these two collection items, take only the distinct values from that particular collection item. In such case, we can use the distinct function. Let's take an example. How do we use that? Hi, my name is Rakesh Suryavanshi and you're watching Be a Learner. I have these two variables, which is collection 1 and collection 2. The variable type is type of string list, and here in the list I have defined some of the default values of these stationery items, like you have the pen, pencil, ruler, sketch pen. And in the collection 2 we have again in the stationery item, pen, pencil and highlighter. So you can see that we have two collection and there are some items which are common across these two collection. So let's see how do we do that using the distinct function. Our case, we have two lists. So first of all we need to make a single list, and for that I can use, let's say, local variable. First of all, single list collection, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use concat function. So basically concat is going to concatenate these two lists and like this, and then if I would like to use the distinct operator, I can use this single list, so it will display the distinct values from this list. Oops, misspelled. Should be concat, and we can see that our output is displaying the single list, which would have all the list of item which has the duplicated values. For example, we have a pen and we also have a pen again here in the list twice. So we have pen, pencil, again pen, pencil. So this is a single list which has all the values from combining those two collections. Similarly, if you want to use this and now with the help of distinct function, basically we are ignoring this duplicate value and just retrieving the unique values out of that collection. So if you don't want to use the concat function, you can use unique function. I would use set union function, and from this set union, instead of using concat, you can directly use union. So let's run this now if it works, and we can see that the set union is also returning the same result which we have got with the help of distinct function. So there are some use cases when you would like to perform these kind of operations. So it is really helpful to understand these available built-in functions which you can use it in your logic and which makes your code robust. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already. See you in the next video.